Now the guys over at Adaptu LLC have developed an application that supposedly is supposed to help you manage your finances. It's called the Adaptu wallet. Let's see if it works. So as you can see, the icon says Adaptu. We'll go ahead and tap on it to launch us into the application itself. You can see the loading screen right here. It says welcome to. We can skip the tour. If you have an Adaptu account, you can sign in. If you don't, you hit no join. I joined with a different account to test the application. Since the application is actually pretty decent, we're going to go ahead and sign in right now so I can show you guys how long it takes to set this thing up, because it really doesn't take long at all. So we have the email address, we have the password, and you can choose a security question, as you can see. So all these different questions. We'll go ahead and tap nickname, enter that. It's just a pretty simple one, and then you hit join. So actually, I guess the password actually didn't go through. We'll change the password to something a little bit better for this, and hit back and hit join. And again, it's actually not working, so let's go ahead and type in one more thing, hit join. So it actually requires 8 characters. It requires a special character and numbers and letters. Go ahead and type in a PIN, confirm that same PIN, loads it up, and you're in. So as you can see, you got My Wallet. It tells you how your spending is. If you'd like, you can add a new card or account. It'll update all your data when you first launch the application. Got 3 buttons up here. Tapping the first one is to look at your messages. You can edit from there as well. Jump back. Second one is a search button. You can search for transactions. And this last one is a gear, which takes you into your settings, which includes managing your accounts, your alert settings, which includes notifications. You have your sign out, you change your PIN, you have a theme right here, black leather, African safari, and pink leather, about page, rate them, FAQ page, tutorial page, and you can contact the application. So adding a new card or account, as you can see, you can hit online. You also have other over here, business card, insurance, other card, rewards. If we hit business cards, we can add a photo. So if I go ahead and tap on add photo, we can select a photo from the gallery, or we can also select it from the camera. So if we go ahead and hit gallery, or if we actually jump back, we'll add photo, we'll do camera, where I meant. We can pull up something right here, snap a picture, you can use that picture. It'll come up right there. You can change the name of what you have, as well as notes, and you can hit add account. So name, I'll just type in school, notes, and then we'll hit add account. It's going to go ahead and add that account, and there you go, you have a business card. And that's really as simple as it is. Tap on it, you can add additional photos, account summary, hit edit. You can see you can edit what we just did as well. Jumping back, now of course when you add different cards that are actually financial in different ways, the capabilities of this application extend, but the point of this application is to just keep everything you're doing spending wise in check. You can actually even upload your financial accounts to see how your spending is doing for what month you're in. So pretty advanced stuff. I will say that there are other applications about managing accounts and monies, much more popular ones that I would recommend over this, but it is decent, and that is Adaptu. The answer is doesn't really work too well. It only has 5,000 downloads and gets an average 2.9 out of 5-star rating. That's pretty bad, and the application is pretty bad too. I'm not going to say that I don't appreciate the effort that went into the application, because for what it can do, I guess they just don't know how to do what they want to do yet, it seems like. I think that the execution of the features isn't very well. I don't think that it's as simple enough to use as was expected. You want an application to get in and to get your life in order, to get your finances in order. You need to be able to use that tool effectively, or else getting your finances in order effectively isn't going to follow. It makes sense, doesn't it? So for the most part, I want to see this application upgraded. I think they have a pretty decent name, a pretty decent icon, and if they can get a pretty decent app going along with it, they could really see something. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day.